Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is sponsored by RPGSHOW. So they sent me one of their wigs and I'll be installing it to see how I like it. This is everything that came in the package, guys, and I love these RPGSHOW magazines. Whenever I'm bored, I just like to enjoy them. But let's get into this wig. So I got it in this beautiful dark brown color. It's called the Dainty 004, and this is from their new line of wigs, guys, with the new invisible knots and real scalp. Look at that lace. It did come pre-bleached and pre-parted in the center. However, it's a free part wig, so you can part it wherever you like. Now this is what the construction of the cap is looking like. It has the combs inside of it, and it also has an adjustable stretchy strap so that you can secure your wig. So let's get right into the install. Of course, I'll be leaving the link to this unit in the description of the video, and I do have a coupon code for you, so go ahead and check the description so you can save some coins. So as I mentioned, guys, it's a free part wig, so you can part it to the center, to the side, from the left, from the right, wherever you'd like, girl. It is so flexible and it is a real scalp technology, so it definitely mimics your natural hairline. And also it has an upgraded pre-plucked hairline, so that is why the hairline is looking so good already. It's minimal work, so I don't need to do any plucking with this unit. I am going to lay down the lace, so I used my wax stick and now my hot comb to kind of bring everything back, just to make sure no hairs get caught up in the lace band once I spray that down. So with this wig, because the lace looks so good, it's so easy to work with, I'm not even going to work in sections. I'm spraying the entire perimeter of my forehead with the lace spray, and I'm just going to cool that down with my blow dryer a bit. Then I'm going to apply the lace. So guys, just take a look how thin this lace is. It's almost as if there's no lace on the unit. I haven't cut it off as yet, but just look how good that looks. It is undetectable, guys. I can't wait to cut the excess lace off it and see how it melts into the skin. But this is a 13x6 lace frontal, and that just means that this has a 6-inch parting space, so it's a nice deep parting space, which I really like. It gives it that natural look to the unit. And this is a 200% density lace frontal, so it has a lot of body, very voluminous. And even looking at it right now, fresh out the pack, you can see those waves in it with the volume. So I don't want to flatten the wig, I just want to make sure the top is laid flat. So I'm just parting out sections of the top of the unit. I'll go in with my wax stick and then my hot comb and just make sure that that is nice and laid. But I don't want to flatten the unit. I want to keep that bouncy, voluminous look. So I think I've achieved the look that I am going for. So I'm just going to go in and cut the excess lace from the unit. I just do a general cut, get that off, and then I'll go in and kind of fine tune it with my scissors. Then I use my Got To Be spray my comb, the end of my comb, my rat tail comb, and I kind of dab that into the hairline. Do you see how good that looks? Okay guys, so now to the fun part. Let's go ahead and add back some curls and volume into this unit. I sprayed a little bit of my hair oil in the palm of my hand, and then I kind of rubbed that through just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. And now I'm using my 1.5 inch curling iron. I think it's 1.5. If it's not 1.5 inches, 1.25, but I think it's 1.5. Anyways, I'm using my curling iron to add some curls into the unit, guys, and this process was really easy. What I recommend for the larger curls, I like to take a large chunk of the hair, so I'm not doing this in small sections at all. I do large sections because I don't want a curly look. I'm going to comb all of these out, but you'll see that soon. But I do recommend it opening your curling iron and actually add the hair into it and working in larger sections. So now, after all that hard work, I am combing all the curls out of the unit, guys. But look how bouncy the unit is. Look how that hair is just snapping back and taking shape. So nice, guys. So that's basically it for this installation process. Pretty easy, no extra work, no baby hair. So let's get into the final look. Okay guys, so I am so in love with this unit. It's something new, it's fresh, it's different from what I usually do. I am in love. The lace has melted into my skin. The lace is perfect, impeccable. The hair is all bouncy, flowy. I love it. So remember, the link will be in the description, and I do have a discount code, so go ahead and use that. Thank you so much, RPG Show, for sending over this one. Love you guys.